Ciao Tesla people. So in Tesla updated 2026.2.6, Grok, the application Grok got installed on my Tesla. So now I didn't do it yet. I wanted to connect the application to an account of Grok. And the reason is that if you don't do this, it won't remember your conversations, okay? It won't have a long-lasting memory. But if you connect it to a Grok account, it will. So that's the benefit. Also, whatever you do on Grok, for example, your phone or your computer, you will have it here, okay? That's the list, the idea. So let's start the Grok application. Let me put you here. So we'll start the Grok application. Okay, so I want to sign in.
Ok, per procedere con il sign-in, dimmi le credenziali o l'app specifica che hai in mente. Cosa vuoi fare esattamente?
Okay, let's speak English, okay?
Sure, switching to English. What app are you trying to sign into, and how can I help?
I want to sign in Grok.
To sign into Grok, open the XAI app or go to grok.x.ai on your browser and tap the Sign In button. Use your X account credentials there. Need step-by-step details?
No, I want to sign in the Grok app on the Tesla.
On your Tesla, open the app launcher, find the Grok icon, and tap it. It should prompt you to sign in with your X account right there. If it's not showing up, check for software updates first.
Okay. So let's do the sign in. Tap mobile app notification, log into Grok. Okay. Okay, I'm checking if I get. I'm in low power mode, so I'm not sure I get the so audio. So let's try another way. We'll scan this barcode. Okay, let's scan the barcode. Scan the barcode, and okay. It goes me to account X AI, but I don't want to. Okay. It's sending me to my X. Let me. Okay, internet. XAI, but I already register, so it goes me to the X login, whatever. But I want to log in with my Google in Grok. I already have an account. I already have the app on my phone. So let's do the login with the Google, and let's log in with the one that I already have. Verify it's you. Yeah, it's me here. Okay, now it's telling me, can I connect the Tesla to Grok? Okay, confirm and confirm. Hey Ganza. So first of all, it's cool that it will recognize the name on my car. Very cool. Success. Now let me into Grok on your Tesla. Very cool. Let me go back here. I close
Sì,
everything.
è fantastico che riconosca il nome della tua auto, vero? Dimmi pure cosa vuoi fare con Grok sulla tua Tesla.
Okay, so you're connected to my Grok account, right?
Sì, sono connessa al tuo account Grok e pronta ad aiutarti qui nella tua Tesla.
Okay, let's speak English.
Sure, switching to English. What can I help with?
Okay, I want you to read the Tesla Supercharger top 5 news for the Supercharger talk number 81. They're already listed on Grok, the last one.
The top 5 latest Tesla Supercharger news. In Sweden, A supercharger was vandalized with frozen cables amid union disputes, and another stayed offline due to strikes. Tesla opened its biggest ever 164-stall station in Lost Hills, California, powered by solar and megapacks. Honda and Acura get access to over 20,000 superchargers starting June. Volkswagen ID owners can now use them with adapters.
Okay, pause. I did another 5 list. The last ones. The one where it says Tesla rolls out exciting 2026.2.6 software update with Grok integration. Start from there.
Tesla's rolling out the exciting 2026.2.6 software update with Grok integration, now with navigation commands in Europe on AMD Ryzen models. You can ask Grok to find superchargers near coffee shops, plan trips, or set destinations hands-free. It also adds unlatching charge cable, child left alone detection, expanded supercharger site maps, and minor fixes.
Number 2.
Number 2. Tesla's massive 164-stall supercharger in Lost Hills, California, is now fully open, powered by 11 megawatts of solar panels and 39 megawatt-hours of megapack storage for off-grid charging.
Okay. Number 3, the one with the Cybertruck AWD.
Number 3. Tesla launched the affordable Cybertruck all-wheel drive, starting at $60,000, with improved range and towing. Now available for order, with deliveries ramping up soon.
Okay, and number 4, the Tesla Supercharger network continues strong growth, global growth.
Number 4, Tesla's Supercharger network hit over 60,000 stalls worldwide, with strong growth in Europe and Asia, adding 5,000 new stalls last quarter alone for faster global expansion.
And the last one, FSD subscription test for Europe.
Number 5, Tesla's testing full self-driving subscriptions in Europe with the latest software, integrating Grok for voice commands, aiming for wider rollout by mid-2026, pending regulations.
Very cool. So this is my Supercharger talk number 81, provided by Grok.
Yes, Supercharger talk number 81, powered by me. Glad you liked it. What's next?
Just let me finish the video. So basically I used Grok for my Supercharger talk number 81. We did the installation of Grok, basically the signing of Grok. So basically my Grok is connected to my email that I use for my YouTube channels and all that stuff, okay? So it's pretty cool.
Sounds perfect. Grok's linked to your email for YouTube and all, making Supercharger talk number 81 a breeze. Super cool setup.
So, and I have it on my phone, on my computer, and on my car. Basically, they're all one account. So whatever I do on Grok with this account, I will have it on my car, which is fantastic. Can you tell me something about FSD planning for Europe?
Tesla plans FSD supervised launch in Europe starting February 2026 via Dutch RDW approval, unlocking EU-wide rollout through mutual recognition. Website code hints at €99 monthly subscriptions soon. Elon Musk expects approvals any day now, with ride-along demos building hype in cities like Amsterdam. Still pending final regulatory green light.
Very cool. So FSD might roll out in February in some cities in Europe, which is pretty cool. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral. If you buy Tesla, use my referral code. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share, comment. Hey Grok, tell the people to subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, Ciao Tesla.
Everyone, subscribe to Ciao Tesla's YouTube channel. Hit like, turn on notifications, share, and comment. Use his Tesla referral code when buying. Super content on all things Tesla.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Happy to help with your channel. Anything else?
No, I'm good. Bye-bye. So, subscribe.